Here are some of the 1 to 6 scale models that I have made for this series. The wheel was made from cardboard, inkjet print and wooden sticks. The guillotine was made from XPS foam and 3D printed blade. Bamboo stick, bead and string were added for details. The chair is made completely from XPS foam. Wire brush gives it a wood texture very quickly. The pipe is made from the thinnest PVC pipe I could find. Bolt and nut rings were 3D printed. The coffin was also made completely from XPS foam. Basically same techniques as in the chair. I used various materials in building models. XPS foam is easy to work with, so it was used in multiple models. 3D prints were used for more complex parts like the blade and the bolt rings. Generally, I just used what I thought would be easiest for each part. All the props were painted with acrylic paints. I made careful measurements about the 1-to-1 setup and calculated measurements for the 1 to 6 setup. This is the 1-to-1 scale setup. And 1 to 6 scale setup looks like this. Gray background and the empty floor is added as a base. First, the chair is added. Floor luminosity is matched to the existing floor. I want to keep the real shadows. Next to the life-size model. I used Liquify to get hands where I wanted. And as in the chair, I want to keep the real shadows here too. From here forward it is pretty much the same for all images. First the room. Then the light adjustments. And finally color grade and sharpening.